Hey, Emma, come on in. Grab a seat. I just poured us some tea. How's your morning going?
Morning, John. Pretty good, thanks. I was just thinking about making a phone call to a friend or family today. I haven't talked to my sister in a few days, and I feel bad. How about you? Good start to the day?
Yeah, nice and calm. I actually called my mom yesterday. She loves when I do that. It makes her day. So, perfect topic. Let's talk about making a phone call to a friend or family. It's simple, but sometimes people get nervous about what to say.
Totally, especially in English. I always worry, what if I don't understand, or what if it's awkward? But calling family or friends is usually easy because they know you.
Right. And they don't care if your English isn't perfect. They just want to hear your voice. Okay, let's start with the basics. How do you start a call?
You say, hey or hi, then their name. Like, hey Sarah, it's Emma.
Yes, or hi mom, how are you? Super simple. And if they don't answer right away, you can leave a message. Hey, it's me, just calling to say hi. Call me back when you can.
Good one. Voicemail is helpful. Okay, once they pick up, what next?
Small talk first. How's your day going? Or what are you up to?
Yeah. Then you share something. I was thinking about you today. Or I just finished work and wanted to chat.
Nice. And if it's family, you can ask about them. How's dad doing? Or how are the kids?
My sister always asks about my dog first. How's Max? She loves him more than me sometimes.
That's funny. Dogs get all the love. Okay, let's practice a short call. Pretend I'm your brother.
Okay. Clears throat. Pretends to dial. Ring ring.
Hello.
Hey Mike, it's Emma. How are you?
Hey sis, I'm good. Just eating lunch. How about you?
Pretty good. I was just thinking about you. How's everything at home?
All good. Mom made your favorite cookies yesterday. She misses you.
Oh, tell her I miss her too. And the cookies.
See? So easy. You shared a feeling, asked about them, laughed a little, feels real.
Yeah, and if it's a longer call, you can talk about your day. I went to the park today. The weather was nice. Or share a funny story.
Exactly. Like, you won't believe what happened at work? Then tell the story. Friends love that.
True, but sometimes the call gets quiet. What do you do?
Just ask a question. So, any plans this weekend? Or what's new with you?
Or tell me something good that happened this week. That makes them smile.
Nice one. I use that with my dad. He always has a story.
Okay, funny story time. Last month, I called my grandma. She answered and said, "Hello? Who is this?" I said, "It's Emma." She goes, "Emma who?" I was like, "Your granddaughter." She laughed so hard. "Oh, honey, my hearing is bad today." We talked for an hour after that.
That's adorable. Grandmas are the best. I called my grandpa once at night by mistake. He said, "Is everything okay? It's late." I said, "Yeah, just wanted to say hi." He stayed on the phone for 30 minutes telling old stories. Made my night.
Aw, that's sweet. See? Even if you call at a weird time, family understands.
Totally. Now, what if you want to end the call nicely?
Easy. Well, I should go now. I have to make dinner. Or, it was so nice talking to you.
Yeah, and talk soon, or love you, bye.
Love you too. Bye. For family. For friends, catch you later.
Perfect. And if you want to call again soon, I'll call you next week, okay?
Yes, makes them feel connected.
So, do you call people often or mostly text?
I text a lot, but I try to call at least once a week. Hearing the voice feels warmer. Texts are quick, but calls, you can hear if someone's happy or tired.
Same here. My mom says, texting is fine, but a call is better. She's right. You feel closer.
Yeah. Okay, let's list some natural phrases beginners can use.
Good idea. Hey, it's me. How have you been? I just wanted to hear your voice. What's new? That sounds fun. Oh no, really? I miss you. Gotta run, but let's talk soon.
Love that list. And add, sorry, bad connection if the sound is bad. Or, can you speak a little louder?
Yes, phones can be tricky sometimes.
So true. But don't be afraid. Even if you make a mistake, like saying the wrong word, laugh and keep going. Family and friends don't mind.
Exactly. They love you anyway.
For everyone watching, start with someone you feel comfortable with. Call a friend or a family member. Say hi, how are you, and just chat for 5 minutes. You'll feel good after.
Great advice. And if you're nervous, practice first. Say the phrases out loud alone. Then do the real call.
Yes, small steps.
Well, this chat made me want to call my sister right now.
Do it. Tell her I said hi.
I will. Thanks for talking about this, Emma. It was nice.
Always nice talking to you, John. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
They both smile and wave lightly, fade out with a warm feeling.